Well, I was about to sit down and eat, as you can see, but, well, I'm so sorry for all the background noise. Well, anyways, once again, I was about to sit down to eat, but noticed something in the dog cage. I have no clue how the hell it even got in there, but, or how long it's been in there for. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. You know what? Let me set it down here. Let me at least get this in the shot if I can. This is ridiculous. Ugh. Really? Ah, fuck. Still a piece of foil in there, as you can see. Ah, shit. Ugh. Ah, fuck. You're getting too old for that. Ah, my leg. Supply close this. Yeah, I once again have no clue how the hell that got there to begin with, and don't know how long that's been in there for. Oh, and I just saw a cat lying on the hood of the car there, as you can see. Well, anyways, yeah, once again I have no clue I have no clue how long it's been in there for, nor do I want to know. Well, anyways, time for me to eat. Here comes the wind, and my big boy. And there's not even a cloud in the sky today, too, as you can see. Well, as far as I can tell, it's the sun. And there's the cat swiping in his claws again. Yeah, we really need to get a scratching post, big boy. We really need to. Well, anyways. There you go, Lucas. And also, today it is a little bit cold out there, but not cold enough for a jacket. And last night, it got down to 50 degrees. That's right, 50 degrees. In the right big man. I know, that's cold, isn't it? Isn't it, Luke? Ah, shit. Bones dry. And we're almost out of cat food, of course. Well, give me a minute here. Yeah, that's all that came out. Sorry, Lucas. And now, yeah, there you can see my disgusting socks and clothes. Yeah. Sorry, Lucas. We have no more cat food. Yeah, that's literally all we have. Well, at least it's something, I guess. Well, anyway, so have yet another little story to tell that happened last night, but for once, it didn't happen to me. Yes, this is still cannot believe these people did this. So last night at around 6 p.m., this family went into the corn maze which is a little tourist attraction thing that comes here where I live every single October and every single fall. Anyways, well, it is a very common occurrence that people get lost in it, but it is not an everyday occurrence that someone calls the police, and this is exactly what that family did. Yeah, they got lost in the corn maze. They literally called 911 and told the dispatcher they were lost in the corn maze. And, so the police came. The officers, they went into the corn maze. They couldn't find the family. They heard the family yelling for help, but I guess the officers never heard of pinpointing a location. I guess they never heard of that. Anyway, so they called a helicopter. A helicopter came. And by the way, I'm not making this up at all. Anyway, so the helicopter came. They dropped some ropes out of the helicopter. Then men rappelled out of the helicopter, picked up the family, put them in the helicopter, and they dropped them off in the parking lot. And yeah, that was that. I mean, I still cannot believe. I mean, when I first heard about that, I didn't believe it at first because that just seems stupid. In fact, no, it is stupid actually. I mean, that is probably the most stupidest shit I've ever heard in my entire life. Seriously, it really is. Well, I guess that's stupidity for you, I guess you could say. Well, anyways, so now I'm in the backyard, and it clearly sees there's no clouds in the sky today. None. Well, as far as I can see. None. There's some over there, but not really. Come on, Lucas. Need to get some more cat food, big boy. I also dog food. Yeah, once again, this is literally all what we got of cat food. That's it. And the rest are just crumbs, as you can see. So that's it. That's all we got with cat food. Well, anyways, that's going to be it for today. There goes the dog. And, of course, there's the cat. Anyways, that's it for today.